In this final module, we upgrade the agents. This can be done weeks after the server. There is no urgency since older agents are supported by newer server components. The agent upgrade procedure mirrors that of the automation engine. We duplicate the main agent directory. We do the same for the service manager, as we've already shown. Empty the temp directory and remove the old tar installer for both components. Copy the new agent installer. Unzip and untar. Configure the new INI files using the ORI files. The next step is only for customers who use self-signed certificates. In the administration perspective, disable the function that attaches certificates with centralized agent upgrade. Whether you use CAU or not is not relevant. You never know who will attempt this type of upgrade in the future, and you must exclude certificates. This function could overwrite your self-signed certificates and cause major malfunctions. When you're ready to upgrade, stop the agent and service manager. Rename the directories the same way we did for the server components. Deploy cap key, then the service manager, then the agent if it's not automated. You may run into a certificates issue at agent connection. In order to solve this, stop the agent, connect to client 0 and remove the agent from the list. Then try starting again. We move on to analytics. Upgrading analytics requires essentially an upgrade and reconfiguration of the backend and reconnecting AWI. We shut down the analytics backend. We rename the backend folder _old so we can upgrade with the version 26 backend directory. We copy the backend directory from the v26 installation package. In the backend, we update the uxedda.ini file, which stores connection settings to AE. We retrieve the connection.properties file from the old instance directory and copy it in the new backend directory. On the AWI system, we update plugin.properties in the configuration directory so that AWI can connect to analytics. Two settings need updating. First, the backend endpoint URI. Here we simply change the system name to the analytics backend host. Second, the backend API key, which we can normally obtain with a database query. In our case, we can simply copy both from the old AWI directory. You can start analytics in the service manager. As for any agent, you may run into a certificates issue and no connection. Simply delete the AI agent from client 0 and attempt another connection.